National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Allegan County in southwestern Michigan, southern Ottawa County in southwestern Michigan, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Holland State Park to near Saugatuck, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Holland, Hudsonville, Zeeland, Saugatuck, Beechwood, Jenison, Holland State Park, Allendale, Port Sheldon, Burnham, West Michigan Region, Dren, Castle Park, Bauer, Grand Valley, Saugatuck Dunes State Park, Jamestown, Leafland, Olive Center, Makatawa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.